Because the right side is short of liberties, white cannot descend. Black would play the placement and reproduce the dead upper right shape. Again, the opponent's vital point is your vital point. Simply enlarging the eye space into rectangular 6 lets black kill. A tiger's mouth also leaves bulky 5, and black kills with the same placement. White must occupy black's vital point first. Do not choose the tiger's mouth automatically. It leaves bulky 5, so black plays the same vital point placement and kills. White must take that point first. If black gives Atari, white makes ko. Connecting does not help black, white's diagonal move still creates ko. If black plays the placement, white blocks, after black crawls, white throws in for ko. So this flawed rectangular 6 lives by ko. Every resistance lets white steer the corner into ko. This is the practical improved form. This shape also appears in standard corner sequences. After a large night corner approach and an attachment, the outside Hain line becomes complicated. Stronger players eventually study its double Hain variations. The outside Hain branch contains more follow-ups, including a double Hain. The exact sequence becomes part of higher-level corner study. One common local sequence is Atari, capture, connect, and jump outside. White then gives Atari and pushes diagonally. The sequence continues with wedge, block, throw-in, capture, connections, an extension, and an outside jump. Later, white's Hain in the upper right is troublesome for black because it uses this rectangular 6 life and death shape. If black blocks, white's Atari is forcing, white then occupies the vital point and creates a ko. Black's block lets white give Atari as a forcing move. White then occupies the rectangular 6 vital point and creates the ko. This was originally black's corner, so creating a ko there from nothing is already a good practical result for white. If black insists on killing unconditionally, black must occupy white's vital point. White then cannot live locally, but after crawling, white gains forcing moves outside, the descent is forcing, black must turn, and white can later extend out, descend, and Hain. Those moves can greatly affect black's outside group and may even start a capturing race. White preserves the outside forcing descent, then extends and Hains. Even though the corner dies, those moves can weaken black's outside liberties. That is the balance in this corner sequence. If black kills, white gains outside forcing moves. If black does not kill, white can make ko inside. The result comes directly from the corner life and death shapes we studied. That covers the basic Carpenter's square family. The next common practical family adds one more point to make a 7-point eye space, and the reading becomes noticeably harder. Add one more point to Carpenter's square and the eye space becomes a 7-point family. The number of branches rises quickly.